Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll walk through how to fix recording delay in Adobe Audition step by step. If you're experiencing frustrating delays between your input and what you hear during recording, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open Adobe Audition. Navigate to Edit in the menu bar, then select Preferences and click on Audio Hardware. Here, ensure that your input and output devices are correctly set to your preferred microphone and speakers or headphones. Step 2. Within the same Audio Hardware Preferences window, locate the Latency or Buffer Size setting. A lower buffer size reduces latency but increases the risk of audio glitches, while a higher buffer size provides more system stability at the cost of increased latency. Adjust this setting to find a balance that minimizes delay without compromising audio quality. Step 3. If you hear an echo or delay while recording, it might be due to input monitoring being enabled. To disable this, go to Edit, Preferences, Multitrack, and uncheck the option labeled Enable Input Monitoring. This prevents Audition from playing back the input signal in real time, eliminating potential feedback loops that cause delay. And that's it! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.